this question, you have to identify the correct statement regarding DNA. Option A, adenine pairs with thymine through 3 hydrogen bonds. This is incorrect because adenine pairs with thymine through 2 hydrogen bonds and not 3. Option B, adenine does not pair with thymine. This is also incorrect because adenine does pair with thymine in DNA, and this is one of the fundamental base pairing rules of DNA, which is known as complementary base pairing rule. Option C, adenine pairs with thymine through 2 hydrogen bonds. Now this is correct. Chargap's findings provided crucial insights into the structure of DNA molecule, particularly regarding the complementary base pairing. So in DNA, adenine forms base pairs with thymine via 2 hydrogen bonds, and this pairing is part of the DNA double helix structure where complementary base pairs are stabilized by specific hydrogen bonding between the nitrogenous bases. Option D, adenine pairs with thymine through 1 hydrogen bond. This is also incorrect because, as already stated, adenine forms 2 hydrogen bonds with thymine and not 1.